Hello all, welcome to the Linux Rootkits for Red Blue Teams course on Pentester Academy. Now that we've looked at a lot of basics of Linux kernel modules and how to get process information, let's jump into some interesting tasks. So we will begin with something very basic, which is trying to see how we could go ahead and emulate some rootkit behavior. So in this video, what we're going to do is create a module which we cannot remove. So once we insert, we can't remove the module anymore. Now, as trivial as this might sound, just not having a module underscore exit defined in your kernel module ensures that using rmmod, we will not be able to remove the module. Now, there are ways, and we'll talk about that in the next video, where you could try and force a module removal, but we'll leave that for later. Most kernels aren't compiled with that support. So let's jump right in. So I'm going to go inside the class directory. Now what I've done is that I've copied the same code base of 003 hello world printk inside this folder, 0011 removal module no exit, and I've just renamed the file, compiled and tested it once, but let's actually just go ahead, do a make clean. Just gonna quickly rename this file. Similarly, make changes inside the make file. Okay, I'll just quickly verify that the make works. All right, so now let's open up the file. Now, as I said, this is identical to the one which we did in 003 hello world printk. So here is all I'm going to do is remove the module exit function, which is lkm exit. Just going to remove this. I'm going to remove the module exit line as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and just have hello cruel world of kernel programming in there, right? Nothing else. Okay. Let's actually give this a better description. Call it rootkit basics. No module exit. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead, quickly compile this. Great. So now let's go ahead and insert this module into the kernel. Let's do that. I'm going to do a sudo insmod unremovable module.ko. Hold on, before that let me actually just clean up our D message. Oops. And then let's actually do the insmod. Done. If we do a D message, should be able to see our hello cruel world of kernel programming message given back to us. And if we do an ls mod, we will be able to see that our module has been inserted. Fantastic. Now let's actually do an rm mod as we are used to doing. Now if you notice, it immediately gives you an error and basically says that the device or resource is busy and it could not remove it, right? As trivial as this is, this can actually be very effective when you probably created a kernel module, with the name closely matching something very legitimate, and then you insert it into the kernel, but you don't want it to be removable, right? So with this trivial trick, we've managed to make sure that the admin is going to have a very hard time in removing this. Okay. So that's all I had in mind for this video. If you're enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, please recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the InfoSec community. Thank you.